I'm in Braselton, Georgia, up here in the North Georgia area. It's one of our neighborhoods called Steeplechase. We purchased it in 2021. When you come out here, you see all this infrastructure. You go inside. I'm going to show you inside what's been built and developed already. So let's go take a look inside. So we're now in the community over near the amenities. If you take a look over here, this is a pool house and with a swimming pool. Interestingly enough, when we came out here, all this was overgrown and there were trees everywhere, vines up around the post. So it just sat here overgrown. But when you go over to the pool, you walk into this really old pool house and trees and things have grown up around it. And there was a swimming pool and it was perfectly crystal clear water. So the neighbor was an engineer, and all these years he was maintaining the pool because he liked to go swimming there. So it's really, really interesting to find this community back in the woods, fully developed, nowhere, anywhere on paper, and it's got a perfectly clean, beautiful, crystal clear swimming pool. It was really interesting and surprising when we saw it. Over here is a really nice. It looks a little bit old. We're going to repaint it, redo it, but it's actually in fantastic shape. This is a horse barn, and it has horse stables. The amenities out here were several $100,000. A lot of money was put in this property on amenities, and it's just a beautiful gym, literally in the middle of the woods that we found. We went and got it entitled on paper, and we just put it under contract. It sold it for $8.3 million. So great deal. We're pretty excited about it.